If a sales channel ever rejects tracking information from Ordoro, no worries. You can resend it in just a few clicks. In Ordoro, you can easily resend tracking information to your sales channels if the initial sync fails. Start by locating the order you need to retry. Any order with a failed tracking sync is automatically tagged with the Failed Shipment Notification tag, so you can quickly find these orders by using filters in the Orders tab. Once you've found the order, select it. If you need to retry multiple orders at once, just select all the orders you want to update. Next, go to Actions and click Retry Tracking Right Back. Ordoro will immediately attempt to resend the tracking information to your sales channel. To check if the retry was successful, open the Activity menu in the top right corner. If the retry fails again, you'll see a red error message. If it works, you'll see a green success message. You can also review the order's timeline notes at the very bottom of the order page. This section logs every tracking sync attempt and shows any error messages directly from the sales channel. A few clicks and your tracking is back on track, keeping everything accurate and your customers informed.